In this video, I want to demonstrate how to mate this taper pin into this handle. In the next video, I'll demonstrate how to cut the appropriate size hole through the handle and the screw to suit the taper pin. So first, I'm going to expand the taper pin over here in the featured tree, and I'm going to look at all of its planes. I'd like to mate either plane 1 or plane 2 at a distance from here. Now this distance currently is 3/4, so mate it 3/8 from here, so it's in the middle. So first I'll select plane 1, then I'll come out into the graphics area, hold control and select the face of the washer. I won't move my mouse, I'll release control, and then I'll come over here and I'll set the distance mate to 0.375. If the pin's going the wrong way, I can flip its alignment with this button. I'm not too concerned with it. Or if the distance is the wrong way, I can flip the distance with this. Okay, so that's correct. I'll accept that. And then I can see my pin here. Now I would like to center it in the part this way. So again, I'll have to look at the remaining planes. So I'll select this plane, and I want to mate it to a plane in my handle. So I'll scroll up till I find my handle, and I'll expand it. So here's the handle, and I want to look at its planes. So there's the front, top, and right side plane. So the right side plane is the one I want. So with the right side plane selected, I'm going to scroll back down to my pin. I'm going to hold control, select plane 2 of the pin. I'll release control, and I'll make those coincident. So now, again, I want to look at that pin. So it only moves. I need to select it. It moves this way. So once again, I would like it centered this way, and there's several options I have. If I look at plane 3, it's on the bottom of the pin. So I'll select plane 3 of the pin. I'll rotate around, I'll hold control, select this face, I'll release control, and I'll make those coincident. So now that pin is embedded inside my part. And in the next video, I'll look at how I use it to cut the holes into this part and the screw to suit the pin.